Hi friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest Windows 11 update, KB5052090, for insiders in the dev channel. This update brings a mix of new features, improvements, and fixes that aim to enhance your Windows 11 experience. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, these changes are designed to make your daily tasks smoother and more efficient. Let's break it all down. First up, let's talk about lock screen widgets. Microsoft is rolling out a new feature that allows you to customize what widgets appear on your lock screen. This feature, previously referred to as Weather and More, is now expanding to include widgets like Weather, Watch List, Sports, Traffic, and more. You can add, remove, and rearrange these widgets to suit your preferences. To customize, simply go to Settings, Personalization, Lock Screen. This feature is currently available to insiders in the European Economic Area, EEA, with plans to expand to other regions in the future. Additionally, IT administrators can now disable lock screen widgets using a new group policy without affecting widgets elsewhere on the system. This is a great step toward personalization and flexibility for both individual users and organizations. Next, let's discuss Task Manager improvements. Microsoft is changing how Task Manager calculates CPU utilization. The new method aligns with industry standards and third-party tools, ensuring consistency across the processes, performance, and users' pages. For backward compatibility, a new optional column called CPU Utility has been added to the Details tab, showing the previous CPU value. This change is particularly useful for developers and power users who rely on accurate performance metrics. However, note that the system idle process may show as 0 in the new column, and the CPU graphs on the performance page still use the old calculations. These issues are expected to be addressed in future updates. Another exciting addition is the ability to share directly to apps from File Explorer or the desktop. When you right-click on a local file, you'll now see an option to share it directly with apps that support sharing. This streamlines workflows, especially for users who frequently share files between applications. It's a small but impactful change that saves time and effort. Now let's talk about fixes. This update addresses several issues that have been bothering users. In File Explorer, Windows have fixed an issue where the Home section might not load correctly, displaying random floating text instead. In Taskbar, this update have resolved the bug where underlines under app icons would get stuck even after closing the app. This update have fixed remote desktop freezes on login and frequent disconnects. Another issue that has been fixed is the crash that caused settings to show an error message on launch. The memory could not be read has been resolved. If you were impacted, you might have also seen a similar error with runtimebroker.exe. Other fixes include resolving issues with duplicate Windows entries in the boot menu after a failed upgrade and frequent spinning icons when resuming OneDrive files. One of the standout updates in this release is the snipping tool. A new trim feature has been added, allowing you to adjust the start and end times of your screen recordings. This is perfect for cutting out unnecessary snippets and creating more polished videos. To use it, simply record a screen capture, open it in Snipping Tool, and click the new trim button. It's a simple yet powerful tool for content creators and anyone who needs to share screen recordings. Of course, there are a few known issues to be aware of. After a PC reset, the build version may incorrectly show as build 26100 instead of build 26120. Some insiders may experience issues with recall not saving snapshots automatically. File Explorer may be slow to close for some users when using the X button. The CPU utility column in Task Manager may show system idle process as 0, and the CPU graphs still use old calculations. Microsoft is actively working on fixes for these issues, so expect updates in the near future. And that's a detailed look at the latest updates for Windows insiders in the dev channel. From customizable lock screen widgets and improved Task Manager metrics to the new Snipping Tool trim feature, these updates are all about making your Windows 11 experience more personalized and efficient. What do you think about these changes? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will keep updating you viewers about the next updates that will come. Till then, take care, and bye.